In today's world of hybrid work, reliable connectivity is more important than ever. Wi-Fi is convenient, but when you need maximum stability, nothing beats a wired gigabit Ethernet connection. That's where the BENFEI 2-in-1 USB Type-C and USB 3.0 to Ethernet adapters steps in. A compact, durable, and versatile solution that combines wired networking with expanded USB ports. BENFEI emphasizes durability and user-friendliness. Dual USB Type-C and USB-A plug makes it compatible with a wide range of laptops, tablets, and even smartphones. Braided nylon cable tested for over 10,000 bends ensures long-lasting resilience. Aluminum alloy housing not only looks premium, but also dissipates heat effectively during high-speed transfers. A non-slip connector design makes plugging in and unplugging hassle-free. This adapter is lightweight at just 68 grams and compact enough to fit in any travel kit. Perfect for remote workers and frequent travelers. The BENFEI 2-in-1 USB Type-C and USB 3.0 to Ethernet adapter is more than just a network dongle. It's a compact connectivity upgrade, combining gigabit Ethernet, a 3-port USB hub, premium build quality, and wide compatibility. It's an essential tool for anyone who values reliable performance and portability. If you're looking for a compact, reliable, and future-proof adapter for both networking and expansion, BENFEI's solution stands out as one of the best in its class.